Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Code Learners Helpline for Software Development. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create custom manager with chainable queries in Django framework. So here I have a post model which has a user ID, name, content, and inactive with other fields. So I need to create a manager for this. So for that, I will start by creating a manager class. So I use post manager as a class name, and I will inherit manager. So basically manager has two methods. The first one I will give a custom method as search name. So this will basically search by the name of the column name. Then you need to call the filter, and now to search I will first select the column name followed by the filter here I contains, which does a like filter, and then I will create a second function which is called as isActive. So here there will be default value, and this will check whether the post is active or not. Now let us use these models, and I am here in the console. So I'm just refresh this, and I will open the shell now. So the first thing is I have to import the models. So now I will run a query which says post model dot objects dot, if I do all, and if I run p, I get all the query sets. And now I want to be able to call on the same method. I will be able to call the isActive, so which will give me all the list of all the active users, active posts. So now we see that there is an attribute error, isActive. If I go to my models, here I forgot to add that. So here I specify the objects, and here the post manager. You can also give any name to this, like posts or any other different name which you like, but for now I will go ahead with posts or objects. So after every change you need to quit and rerun this thing. So post model dot objects dot is active. So if I do posts, so I get all these users which are active. So for this thing you can I use PostgreSQL has my database. So it has a column which has a 0 has inactive and 1 as active. So all the active, I am able to display all the active users here. So I can also pass a parameter here to display all the inactive posts. So this will display me all the inactive posts. This function is a custom manager function. Basically it's a query, returns a query, and I want to also call a different query. There is another query I have declared here, which is called search. This search is by the post name. So I should also want to able to call this by this name also, and here I will pass the search name like the test. And if I hit enter, you see there is, we get an attribute error which says query set object has no attribute search name. Uh, so here in the model manager, so we cannot call chainable queries. So for this we need to have a different approach. So for now I'll just quit this, and come to the models, and here I will add another, I'll declare another class called post query set. So this is another class, and I will this inherits models.query set, and I will just copy my all the methods, query methods from here, and move it to inside the post query class. Here what I can do is this thing will be same, but in the post manager I will do a changes. I will just call a function. I'll declare a function get query set, and instead of returning query set, I will return the query set of this particular class. And here you can pass self.model, and the second thing is using self db. So these are the two things you need to pass, and we'll just declare these methods here, and call these methods inside those methods. So this will call search name. So I'll just pass the value here. The same approach will be done to the is active. From here I need to remove this get query set and just keep the filter. And now let us go to the terminal, run the shell, and do is equal to post model dot objects dot is active dot all. So this works. The same thing if I try to add another method here, dot search underscore name, and here I will take name from here. We have different names like test1, abc and all. I'll take abc. So here okay, I need to add another underscore here. So here I need to add another underscore. Quit the terminal and rerun. So I'll run the same query again. So if I run post, you can see I'm able to get the data of that. And here if I just change the query to ABC, and I'm getting the results. So if you come to this particular models, we see that for the model manager, we are actually using two classes to achieve the functionality. So this kind of thing can be overwhelming. So here I need to do a lot of coding and adding a lot of logic here. So what we can do is we can just skip this manager from here, and we can directly use the post query set as manager. So for here I need to call a method called as manager on this, and by doing this, the post query will be considered as a manager by the post model. I'll quit and again run the shell to see whether we are getting the proper result or not. And here if I run this particular query, if I print p, you can see that we are getting the same post model, but instead here we are using post query set as manager instead of creating custom manager. So you can add n number of functions, n number of query methods here one by one, and you can call them one after another, and you still be able to get the data what you need. So this was just a short video on how to create a custom model manager with chainable queries in Django framework. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to visit my website. I do have a website for this. So my website is the Code Learners, and if you want to get any source code and any information related to Django, Laravel, Python, JavaScript, or any other programming language, so you can just go to my website, and if you click on the post, I have added the code, the snippets for this video also in my post, so you can check my website. Thank you. If you do like my channel, consider subscribe. Thank you.